Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to give some interesting important facts about India which you don't even know about it. So India, home to 1.3 billion people, 29 states and 22 regional languages, is arguably one of the most popular travel destinations on earth. No doubt in this. The country is known for its hustle and the bustle capital New Delhi, its vibrant culture and the picturesque scenery. We have compiled our top 5 facts about India. First interesting fact, if you love mangoes, you have to got India to thank. The country is the world's biggest producer and the consumer of mangoes, accounting for more than 40% of the world's supply. In fact, Indians love mangoes so much they made it their national fruit. Coming to the second interesting fact, India has the most post offices in the world. With a massive population comes to the need to communicate, India boasts 1,55,015 post offices which are regularly used by the locals. Third interesting fact, the Taj Mahal. No list about India is complete without mentioning the famous landmark. It was built in Agra between 1631 and 1648 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his late wife Empress Mumtaz Mahal. The landmark now sees between 6 to 8 million visitors per year. Now coming to the fourth interesting fact, that is the film industry. India is a home to the world's largest film industry. In 2017 alone, 1,986 films were produced in India. The country also has a strong local film scene, producing film in many different regional languages. Bollywood, producing Indian Hindi films, is the largest, producing 364 films in 2017. Other significant religions film producers include Kollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood. Last interesting fact, that is snake and ladders were invented in India. Snakes and ladders were invented in India. The popular children's board game was first created in ancient India, originally called Mokshapatam. The game was used to teach children about good and bad deeds and the virtue of karma. These are the 5 interesting facts about India. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and thank you for watching.